Hey everyone, in this video I will show you how you can buy a Brawl Pass with credit card. So for that, just open your Brawl Star app, Brawl Star game on your mobile phone, and here at main dashboard you can see at the left side there is an option called shop. Just simply click on this shop option. When you click on this you can see there are many options, but click on first one, Brawl Pass. When you click on this Brawl Pass, there will be two Brawl Pass in front of you. You can see now if you want to purchase first one with price 5.99, just simply click on this first one. When you click, a pop-up menu will be open in front of you. Now you can see at the top there are options with Google Play, and it's writing $80, 80 rupees play discount. So just simply click on this play or apply option so that the discount will be applied on your purchase. So click on this apply. After applying, just simply now click on this add credit or debit card. And when you click on this add credit or debit card, just enter your credit or debit card details and your Brawl Pass will be purchased. So this is the way you can purchase your Brawl Stars with Google Play.